The Artemis program, initiated by NASA, aims to send humans back to the Moon and eventually to Mars. Since 2004, NASA has been dedicated to deep space exploration, with the Artemis program being the latest effort in this direction. The program is a result of the Space Policy Directive 1 and a directive from former Vice President Mike Pence to reach the Moon by 2024, now extended to 2025. Artemis is designed to land humans on the Moon quickly and focus on Mars as a long-term human spaceflight goal. The program involves using commercial rockets, NASA's Space Launch System, the Orion crew capsule, and a commercial lunar landing system. It also includes the construction of a small space station in lunar orbit called the Gateway, which would serve future surface missions. The Space Launch System, SLS, is a massive rocket based on space shuttle-derived technology. It is a larger version of the shuttle stack designed to carry cargo or the Orion crew capsule. The SLS has a core stage powered by 4 Space Shuttle main engines and is assisted by 5-segment Space Shuttle solid rocket boosters during the initial phase of flight. Orion, the crew vehicle, can support up to 4 astronauts on deep space journeys. It has a larger interior than the Apollo capsules and features a heat shield capable of withstanding high-velocity re-entry from deep space. The spacecraft consists of a pressurized crew capsule, a service module, and a launch abort tower, which is jettisoned during ascent. The Lunar Gateway, a small space station in lunar orbit, will function as a fuel and supply depot, a science outpost, and a waypoint for missions to and from the lunar surface. It is currently not required to be operational for the initial 2025 moon landing, and NASA is seeking commercial companies to provide gateway cargo transportation services. In 2022, NASA sent a small spacecraft called Capstone to the same lunar orbit Gateway will occupy. The CubeSat will test key technologies critical for Artemis, including spacecraft-to-spacecraft communication using the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. NASA has also selected commercial companies to build lunar lander systems that would eventually dock with the Gateway. SpaceX's Starship and Blue Origin's Blue Moon lander have been selected by NASA to help land humans on the Moon. The landers would enable astronauts to travel to the lunar surface and return in either an ascent module or the entire vehicle. Early landers would only be capable of short surface stays, while future vehicles would be able to house crews through the lunar night. The Artemis program, with its components including the Space Launch System, Orion, Lunar Gateway, Capstone, and lunar landers, is a significant step forward in NASA's deep space exploration efforts. It represents a new era of space exploration and holds the promise of expanding human presence beyond Earth, inspiring space enthusiasts, scientists, and those interested in space exploration.